A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel GK Time. Today in this video we discuss about some important multiple choice question from High Court which were asked in various exam previously. The first question is, the High Court in India were first started at Bombay, Delhi or Madras, or Madras and Bombay, or Bombay, Madras and Calcutta, or Delhi and Calcutta. The right answer is option C, Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Then the next question. A seat of Uttarakhand High Court is located at Dehradun or Nainital or Haridwar or Theri Gharwal. The right answer is at Nainital. Then the next question. Which among the following articles of the Constitution of India gives the power to the High Courts to issue writ? Article 222, Article 224, Article 226 or Article 228. The right answer is Article 226. Then the next question. The seat of Madhya Pradesh High Court is located at Jabalpur, Indore, Gwalior or Bhopal. The right answer is at Jabalpur. Then the next question. Judge of the High Court are appointed by the Chief Justice of the High Court, President or Governor or Chief Justice of India. The right answer is by the President. Then the next question. The age of retirement of the judges of the High Court is 62 years, 60 years, 65 years or 58 years. The right answer is option A, 62 years. Then the next question. The strength of High Court depend upon option A, decided by the Constitution, B, fixed by the Chief Minister, C, fixed by the President depending upon the workload, option D, decided by the State Legislative Assembly. The right answer is option C, fixed by the President depending upon the workload. Then the next question. Which among the following is the oldest High Court of India? Bombay High Court, Madras High Court, Calcutta High Court or Andhra Pradesh High Court? The right answer is option 3, Calcutta High Court. Then the next question. The High Court has the jurisdiction under Article 226 for the enforcement of tax. Option 1, civil right, 2, sanctioning right, 3, fundamental right, option 4, child right. The right answer is option 3, fundamental rights. Then the next question. The jurisdiction of which of the following High Courts extend to the Union Territory of Lakshadweep? Option 1, Kerala, 2, Tamil Nadu, 3, Bombay or 4, Delhi. The right answer is option 1, Kerala. Then the next question. Ladakh is under the jurisdiction of which High Court? Option 1, Himachal Pradesh, 2, Jammu and Kashmir, 3, Delhi, 4, Uttarakhand. The right answer is option number 2, Jammu and Kashmir. Then the next question. In the Indian judicial system, writ are issued by option 1, the Supreme Court only, option 2, the High Courts only, option 3, the Supreme Court and High Courts only, and option 4 the Supreme Court, High Court and Lower Court. The right answer is the Supreme Court and High Court only. Then the next question. Guwahati High Court has no territorial jurisdiction over which state? Option 1 Assam, 2 Meghalaya, 3 Arunachal Pradesh, 4 Mizoram. The right answer is option 2 Meghalaya. Then the next question. Who can extend the jurisdiction of a High Court? Option A Parliament of India, 2 President of India, 3 Supreme Court of India, 4 the Governor of the state. The right answer is option A Parliament of India. Then the next question. Who does not participate in the appointment of the High Court judge? Option A Governor of the state, B Chief Minister of the state, C Chief Justice of the High Court of the respective state, D President of India. The right answer is option B Chief Minister of the state. Then the next question. How many High Court are in the India currently? 31, 27, 25 or 33? The right answer is option C 25. Then the next question. Which of the following is the largest High Court in India? Option 1 Calcutta, B Madras, C Bombay, D Allahabad. The right answer is option D Allahabad. For more and more this type of question answer video, please support us by like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.